Oh, thank you very much. That's fine. Okay, again, we'll start by factoring just to see if anything cancels out. Bottom is a difference of squares. Nothing cancels out, so we have no holes. We have two non-permissible values. X can't equal -5 and x can't equal 5. So when we go to our graph, we will know that these two will be our vertical asymptotes. Now the next thing we're going to look for is to find out if there is a horizontal asymptote. So if we look at the highest degree in this entire expression, it's an x squared. On the top, we have -2x squared. And on the bottom, we have 1x squared. So we ignore all the other values and just look at the highest degree and say, well, since these are the same, this simplifies to -2. So y equals -2 will be our horizontal asymptote. So step one, we're always going to graph all of our asymptotes first. Finding our non-permissible values will tell us if there's a hole or vertical asymptotes. In this case, there was 2 vertical asymptotes. Then if you look at the highest power in the graph, you can think back to section 2.2, and we did those 3 groups. This is group 2. Maybe. I think so. Yeah. I'm trying to remember. This was group 2 where the biggest power was the same on the top and the bottom. And then whatever that simplifies to, in this case -2, that becomes your horizontal asymptote. Now we can draw in our x-intercepts and y-intercepts. First of all, for x-intercepts, you can find it by seeing where, when is y equal to 0, when is the top of our fraction equal to 0. In this case, it's at 0, 0. And that'll be our y-intercept as well. So we've only got 1 point. Let's plug in a few other points here just to see what this graph will look like. What's that? Yeah, we don't have anything in this section bigger than 5. So if I plug in 6 and see what happens, then on the top I would get -2 times 6 squared over 6 squared minus 25. Thank you very much. All done?
Thank you. Forward numbers. Calculators. I have 5 more going back to my
Okay. All right. You know that you're going to be on YouTube.
Really? Oh, you're kidding me. Are you recording this? Yeah. Oh, brilliant, Peters.
So if we plug in this, what are we going to get? 36 -72 on top. And 36 minus 25 would be 11 on the bottom. That is roughly 6 point something. Okay? So as far as that goes, what you're going to do is you're going to plug it in here at 6 and estimate about where that would be. And so we're saying 6 comma negative, oh, I guess that's negative 6 point something. It'll be down here, right? 6 comma negative 72 over 11. Estimate where that would be. That'll tell us that in this section the graph is going to go like that. Over here, can you see if you plug in -6, you'll get exactly the same value. And this section will look like that. we already found a point in our middle section. We need to make that graph go towards our asymptotes. And it'll look like that in the end. Questions you can do for this one are number 4.